Today at Spotify Camp Nou, it is the last match day of the season, and the stadium delivered a full update from inside and outside. The compression ring is advancing at a remarkable pace. LED lighting is going into the slats and pillars, and the lateral diamonds are rising. Here is everything that happened. Starting with the compression ring, where the view from inside the stadium today showed just how far this structure has come. The full lateral sector is now confirmed complete, with the ring entering both the south goal and north goal corner zones. The geometry shift is clearly visible from inside, with the last boxes in the corner sections passing in front of the pillars rather than behind them, as they do in the central lateral. This change happens because the compression ring follows a different line to the stadium itself, and the corner zones are where that difference becomes most visually apparent. The intermediate cimbras between the box joints are also being progressively removed and redeployed further along the ring. This confirms the completed sections are now self-supporting, and the ULMA teams can move their equipment forward faster than before. Multiple cimbras are also confirmed staged and ready in the south goal corner area, meaning the supply chain is well ahead of the current installation point. The LED lighting installation is the biggest visual story from inside the stadium today. Spotlights are now confirmed fitted both on the pillars and directly onto the ceramic slats themselves. Each slat section has 2 LED spotlight units fitted between the slats, with 14 confirmed in place in the lateral midsection. The pillar-mounted lights use a slightly different model to the slat-mounted units, but both are confirmed high-power LED fixtures. With 2 units per slat and 2 units per pillar, the lighting density across the full circuit, when complete, is going to be extraordinary. Every section of every tier lit from both the slat face and the pillar position simultaneously. At the lateral diamond zone, reinforcement bar work is confirmed active on the first of the 3 lateral diamonds today, with the Faria vertical framework clearly visible, defining the shape of the future structure. A second diamond further along the lateral also has reinforcement bars in place. The concrete pour for these structures is the next step once the formwork is complete and at the current pace that is not far away. All 3 lateral diamonds will eventually house services and access points connecting the exterior of the stadium to the parking level below. At the north goal zone, the yellow slats remain in position, with no additional yellow slats placed yet, as the superstructure in the adjacent sections is still being completed. The slat support framework is confirmed in place, and the sequence will continue as soon as the preparation work in those sections is finished. LED spotlights are also confirmed placed on multiple pillars in the north goal zone today. At the third tier, seating steps are now being placed in the north goal lateral corner section today. The steps confirmed visible and in position in this zone, marking another section of the circuit entering its final preparation phase. The full third-tier seating bowl is very close to structural completion across the majority of the circuit, with only isolated gaps near the nucleus zones remaining. The nucleus access structures are also confirmed advancing around the full circuit, with the south goal and north goal zones, both well ahead of the tribune zone in terms of structural completion. That is everything from today. The compression ring confirmed complete across the full lateral. LED lighting going into both slats and pillars. Lateral diamonds rising with reinforcement bars active. Seating steps placed in the north goal corner. And the last match day of the season delivered one of the most complete stadium updates of the year. Drop a comment, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.